Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Been a while. So I'm back out with the Arrma Limitless. Gonna go ahead and do a speed run. Want to give a shout out to Mobay 876 RC. I seen him messing with his infraction the other day, and I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and get one of these cars out. It is decent today, so we're gonna see what it's got. I'm gonna show you how the underneath setup. So I'm running this is like an old Forza motor. I got connectors to it running to XLX2, and I got a 6S in there. I'll show you that all once it's done. But pretty much ready to go. I have the GNSS in there. This is my first time using it for speed runs, so we'll see how that works out. I'm not looking for nothing major. I just want to see what this motor gonna give me. Shout out to Tony Smithers. He was the one that gave me that motor about 2-3 years ago. I used to use it to bash, but I said, let me see what it's got for speed run. I believe I hit 100 with it as well too. I can't remember, but anyway, y'all stay tuned. Let me get the car tightened up, and we'll get right to it. I'm using GRPs. These are some old beat up GRPs. I ain't expecting nothing major, so y'all just stay tuned. Also, guys, sorry about that. I want to shout out to Kenny Soto. I'm running that carbon fiber spool, I believe it is. It's an extended piece in the back here, if y'all can see that. Sorry about that. And then they got a dog bone that comes with it. It just don't come with a gear. You put your own gear on there. I had one laying around, so that's why I wanted to see what it does. So let's see what happens. All right, y'all, this is my first time using the GNSS, so bear with me. Right now I'm seeing that my speed is reading, so that means it's good to go. So right now I'm gonna start it, and I'm gonna put the phone over here. We're gonna see if we get a run in. Here we come. I've been so long, I'm so rusty, y'all. I am rusty. I'm gonna have to get another pass, and plus the car's pulling on me. I guess that was a warm-up run. Let's see if the GNSS is working. Let me get back in the shade. Let's stop it and read. So we got 95 on that pull. That wasn't bad. I didn't even really get into it. 95. Hope y'all seeing that. Distance was only, let me get up in there. I'm gonna actually snapshot it too, so I'll probably put it on the screen. I know I always say that and forget to do it, but let's go ahead and get another pass in. Let me go ahead and feel the temps of the motor before I go ahead and toast that motor real quick. Sorry about the long video, guys. It's not even cold, so let's see what happens on this one. So track, we're gonna start it, make sure we're getting GPS signal. Yeah, we good. I got a car coming now, but y'all bear with me. I'm gonna send it down there and bring it back. Hopefully we can at least crack 100 with it. Nothing special, no special motor or nothing. Put the phone over there. Oh, I'm rusty. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm rusty. So I got a car coming in, I got a car over there. Oh, I got a truck coming out. Ooh, that's not good, y'all. That is not good. I'ma just stay in my corner over there. Hopefully nobody run over my damn car. I believe this truck is going this way. I'm sorry about that long video, y'all. I'm nervous right now. I got my car out there just sitting. That is not a good feeling, let me tell you. And I got 2 cars coming that way. I had a clear road. That car came out and messed it up. They seeing me so far. Let's hope they keep seeing me. Things could get ugly in the blink of an eye. Look at this guy. I don't think he see me. Ready to run off the road if he don't. Okay, he seen me. It's a busy day, y'all. I'm sorry about that. We have 4 minutes already. I'm just trying to get a nice pass in. We got this truck going. Once he's gone, we're gonna bring it down. See what happens. All right, y'all, let's turn it around. All right, here we come. I was able to get into it, hold it for a little bit. Still felt like a rookie there. But as long as it was a clean pass and we could bring it back, that's all that matters. Had a little bit of pulling on me still. Alright, let's see what she did. We're gonna stop it. Hopefully, let me make sure y'all seeing that. We're gonna stop it, start it. We got 103. That was light. Little 103. I think I could do better than that. I still want to try one more. I'll at least hit 105. Let me bring the car in. ESC is cool. I could tell y'all that. This is an XLX. You know that ain't at 100. They ain't doing too much. Fan ain't even kick in yet or nothing. Motor is a bit warm. I'll probably let it cool down and get one last pass in with the dead battery. I'll probably hold it a bit more so that way I can stretch it a little bit longer. So, all right, guys, y'all stay tuned for the next run. And then I also got the RS4 out here. I want to see what that do. It's on drag gearing, so let's see what's up. Also, shout out to Kenny Soto one more time. That spool is definitely holding up, and I don't hear no vibration noises. It's nice and smooth, especially at 103. Let's let it cool down and we'll get back to it. All right, YouTube, we back at it. I let it cool down, just do another pass. Hopefully I can let it stretch a little bit longer. So start, make sure she read it. Yep, get this pass in. All right, here we come. Definitely smooth, I could tell y'all that, but it's also it's topped out. Definitely topped out. Got a car coming behind me. See what it did. Stop. Read. 104. No, the battery dead. But I did hear it top out. That was a good run. 104. I'll probably try to add like a pin in. See if I can get at least 110 out that motor. Or pull it as far as I can and see what I can get. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Definitely fun running this. Good time getting it out. Also, I have some builds coming up for the winter. I'll be running. I also want to get a few cars back out to finish speed running. I want to set certain limits on cars, like the Exceed, the Habio Hyper 9E. We'll see. I need to get some electronics, well, some motors, because I have the electronics. So I also want to turn my drag slash. It's just a stock slash. I want to turn it into a carbon slash. I have two of them, so I want to turn one of them to a carbon fiber and see how it does. Anyway, she did good. It was a little success run. Make sure I'm showing a lot of cells over there. I ain't break no records, but I don't want nobody to think I'm running 8. I still get 104. But, you know, well, y'all see the wires. Got a 6 cell right there. XLX2, old Habio Voice motor. Show y'all, it's like a torque motor or something like that. I think it's a 2000 kV. Anyway, still kicking. Still able to hit 100 and something. Car did good. I'm liking the spool. It held up as well. The car sounds a lot smoother as well. I'm not sure how it would do on drag pulls because it is a carbon fiber shaft. But it did good for speed run so far. I brought the old GRPs out. They held up, made the car feel stable. I had some foams I wanted to throw on here, but I just wanted to see how the GRPs would do. And it did good, so y'all stay tuned for more. I'm gonna try to gear it up and go from there and see what happens. All right, guys, stay tuned.